Hi, this is Darrell Peterson with Micromeasurements, and I'd like to take a minute and introduce you to one of our environmental coatings. This one is the GA-61, and this is the toughest environmental coating that we offer. When you're looking for a coating system that can stand up to adverse or hostile conditions, you want to consider the GA-61. It's a two-part epoxy system that cures to a very hard layer over top of the strain gauges and also a very thick layer over the gauges as well. This environmental coating system typically is used inside of a running engine, oftentimes used in gas turbine engine or aircraft engine testing, where the temperatures are going to stay down below about 500 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're looking for a coating system that has excellent chemical resistance, excellent moisture resistance, and can operate across a very broad temperature range, you might want to consider the GA-61. Again, it's very tough, very hard, very chemical resistant. You will find that typically you can build it up in quite a bit of a thick layer, and oftentimes we recommend putting fiberglass cloth in it to keep it from cracking as it starts to cool back down to room temperature after the initial cure. So you may find that you need, if you're going to use GA-61, that not only you need the GA-61, but you also need the fiberglass cloth to go in it as well. But if you're looking for the toughest organic-based environmental coating that we've got, you want to consider the GA-61. If you'd like to find out more about GA-61 or any of the Micromeasurements environmental coatings, take a look at our website at www.micro-measurements.com. Thank you.